Cattle farmers operating on lands adjacent to Holland Bamboo in St. Elizabeth are calling for help to repair their pens. The call comes as the authorities continue to seize stray animals posing a risk to motorists. Dwayne Anderson has details.
Residents and motorists look on as police lead an operation under the cover of dark on Saturday. The culprits trying to make a quick escape into nearby bushes are nearly a dozen stray cattle, but one did not get far. After nearly 10 minutes, the animal was secured and placed in the truck operated by the St. Elizabeth Pound.
It's a collaboration between the Ministry of Agriculture, Fisheries and Mining as it relates to the scenic avenue of the Holland Bamboo here. We want to protect what is left of the Holland Bamboo that Melissa devastated in October. These cattle that are owned by farmers are left in the bamboo to eat the young bamboo.
Bamboo preservation aside, there's a real safety issue.
Holland Bamboo, even after the devastation caused by Hurricane Melissa, it is still one of the most beautiful sites in Jamaica. But that is in the daytime. At nighttime, it transforms into one of the most perilous parts in the country. Cattle overrun the street at nights.
We have had several accidents in this Holland Bamboo because of these said animals. What we are trying to do is to get them off the street, to protect our families, to protect the citizens of St. Elizabeth and Jamaica.
But the farmers say they need some leniency, help and patience from the authorities.
This storm come, the hurricane, not a storm, it's a hurricane, a category 5 hurricane come and it mash up the Holland Bamboo all the way down to Middlesex. And the backhoe and the bulldozer them where they have pushing the wire, pushing the bamboo and cleaning up the bamboo, then push away the fence also what the hurricane leave. So because of that now, the cows them keep coming on the road. Sometimes we come out here and we run them back, but no, why not there? So we organizing now for the MP. We gonna go to the MP if we get some help to run back the fence alongside the Holland Bamboo straight down to Middlesex. But in the meantime, they don't give us any time. Nobody didn't say anything and then come catching the cow.
The farmers explained that once the animals are seized by the police and pound authorities, they have to pay $20,000 and upwards to retrieve the animals. If they do not do so within a week, the animal is sold. Given their financial position since Melissa, the farmers say most of the animals seized will be lost forever, gone with all their investment.
Well, I know we're not finished putting on the roof, so we cannot control the cow them as yet, because we are struggling in a rough situation. So, they have to understand that. You understand what I mean? Right now, we don't fully cover with house roof, and no, much less we protect the cow right way, how we want it.
Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.